What is the topic? Am I audible, children?
Integers, ma'am.
Adding integers, ma'am.
Integers, ma'am.
Integers. You are learning about integers. And in that particularly, we were seeing addition and subtraction of integers. Yes? We saw addition and subtraction of integers on number line. Yes? So before that, let me ask you few questions. Okay? So, what is this? Plus 7. How do you call it? It's a positive integer or negative integer?
Positive integer, ma'am.
It's a positive integer, ma'am.
What about 9?
Positive integer.
If there is no sign, then also it is called as positive integer.
Positive integer.
Minus 8.
Negative integer.
So integers have positive. Someone is unmuted. Please mute yourself. So it has positive integers and negative integers. And very important thing that we saw in the last class is multiplication of the signs. So plus into plus. What is plus into plus?
Positive.
Positive. So when you multiply, see, this is only for multiplication. When you multiply two positive numbers, your product will also be a positive. If you multiply two negative numbers, then your product will be positive. See, there is a term called like sign. Like means what?
The same.
Yes. You would have studied about like fraction, like decimals and everything, right?
Ma'am, two negative numbers means
Same.
there will be
Like
coming
means
answer negative or positive, ma'am.
two negative sign. When you multiply two negative sign, the product will be positive. When one is positive and the other one is negative,
It's negative, ma'am.
it's negative. So I can tell that when like signs are multiplied, the product is positive. Can I tell like that?
Yes, ma'am.
Like sign, same sign. They are multiplied, the product is positive. When unlike signs are multiplied, the product is
Negative.
negative.
ma'am.
So register this in your mind. Register this in your mind. So this is very, very important. So even I am going to write it here for my reference. Multiplication. This is multiplication. Okay? Okay. Now, so we saw number line addition and subtraction. So in that, if you're going to add a number, you will be moving towards, when you add, right side.
Right side, ma'am.
Yes, this is addition. When you subtract, you move towards your
Left side, ma'am.
side. Downwards. Okay, very good. Okay. Okay. Then we saw the predecessor and successor. So what is the predecessor of minus 7? Predecessor is before number.
Minus 6.
No.
Minus 8, ma'am. Minus 8.
Minus 8. See, just relate to the positive numbers. See, if you take 7, when you move forward only, it is successor or after number. When you move backward, you get your before number or predecessor. So, the same way. So, what comes here? If it is minus 7 here it will be minus 8. So, minus 8 is the predecessor and minus 6 is the successor. Okay, understood? We recollected everything. Okay, now, see, let me give you a problem. Minus 125 plus 375. Will you be able to do this in number line?
No, ma'am.
No. So for
Ma'am.
that, for that you need some shortcut ways to do. Yes, again there is some procedures. Again, there are some rules that can be applied to do addition and subtraction of integers following that. Okay, let's see how to do that. Okay, so now let me explain you that with small numbers. So let me take 2 and 3 itself. Okay, first scenario, both positive. What is the first scenario? Here both are positive, right? Here both are positive or negative?
Positive, ma'am.
Both are positive
Positive,
because
ma'am.
before 2 there is no sign, but still it is positive. Both are positive. So when both the numbers are like sign, so like sign in addition, whatever I am telling now, it is for addition. Like sign means you will add. Like sign means you will add. Now this is what we will do actually. We were doing this before itself. We were doing only for positive integers. So now what is 2 plus 3?
5, ma'am.
And what is the sign for this?
Plus.
Plus. But we don't usually put any sign. That is as same as plus 5. Okay. Now coming to scenario. Scenario 2. Both. Scenario 1 is both positive. Here both negative. See, imagine this in your number line also. What you will do if here it is 0. Why we are adding when it is like sign means, see 2 plus 3 means what you will do? You will go to 2 and then you will add 3. 1, 2, 3. So you move on the same direction, right? You move on the same direction.
Yes, ma'am.
So we are adding. When it is like sign, we are adding. Now, both are negative. -2 and -3. How do you do this?
Ma'am, we should
-3, -4, -5, -6, -7.
back.
Okay, how do we do this? First I will go to what number? See, I want you all to be very interactive. First I will go to -2 and this is -3. So which side I will go? I will move towards my left or right?
Backward, ma'am. Left side.
Backward. So 3 steps I'm going to move. 1, 2, 3. So I landed at -5. Can you see I'm moving in the same direction?
Yes,
When both
ma'am.
are positive, I will move in the same direction, that is towards my right. When both are negative, I will move towards the same direction, that is towards my left. Since I'm moving in the same direction, even when the numbers are bigger, I can solve by simply adding them. Understood?
Yes.
Okay, so now coming here. Ma'am, how to add this? You might get a doubt. Forget about the sign. Forget that there are signs. Just think of the absolute values. I'll complete it, then you will ask. Okay. Now consider only the absolute value. So what is the absolute value of -2?
2, ma'am.
What is the absolute value of -3?
3.
3.
3.
Both the sign are same. So when it is like sign, so I can tell it is like sign. So
Yes,
when it is
ma'am.
like sign, what I should do?
Ma'am, add.
Add the absolute value. You can think that you're going to add the absolute value. So 2 plus 3 is 5.
5
And what about the sign?
Ma'am, it comes minus.
Minus.
Minus,
See,
ma'am.
yes, when both the numbers are positive, you will be getting positive sum. When both the numbers are negative, you will get the answer as minus. You will get the answer as a negative number. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
I will just give you some clue to register this. Okay. See, positive. See, there is another meaning for positive, being good, right? Think positive. Yes?
ma'am.
Don't have negative thinking. Negative means bad. So sometimes we use the word positive for good, negative for bad. Yes or no? You agree or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now let's see that you have two positive qualities. And you are adding three more positive qualities to you. So now
Then
what
you are
happens?
hiding-
You become more good. You become more positive. Yes or no?
Yes.
So you are having two positive quality and three quality you are learning. Three positive quality you are adding to yourself. Okay. So that means you are getting more positive quality. That is plus. Now, here I already have two negative characters within me. Now, three more I'm adding. See, this is not subtracting. This is adding because both what we do here, since they are like sign, we are adding only. Since it is like sign, we are adding.
Ma'am.
Minus 2 and minus 3, we are adding. So already I have two bad quality and I'm adding three more bad quality. Then I will become positive or negative?
Negative.
Negative.
ma'am.
So this is just a clue to
Ma'am,
remember. Yeah, tell me.
ma'am, what if one sign is subtraction,
That's what I
positive,
told.
and another one is
That's
negative?
what I told. Who is
Then
this
you have
asking?
to subtract.
Who is this asking? Who asked me this doubt?
Vastika,
Who is
Vastika,
that?
Vastika,
Wait.
ma'am.
I know to teach. That's why I told please wait. Okay, because some of your doubts may make the other children to get confused. So now till this part it is clear. Scenario 1, when both are positive, you're going to get a positive answer. When both are negative, you're going to get negative answer. But when they are like signs, you're going to add them. Like sign, you're going to add. Now,
They will negative and positive will be with in only one
is
number.
it Vinush?
I'm like
Who
now
is this?
minus 2
Who
and
is
plus
this? Who is this?
Dikshita, ma'am.
That I'm speaking that only, Rakanna. I told you people to wait.
Ma'am, I can't understand what you explained before, ma'am.
Who is this? Who is this?
Triveni, ma'am.
Triveni. What you didn't understand? Did you join on time?
No, ma'am, due to network issue, I can't join, ma'am. I only have
Then you should say that you joined late. You should not tell that you didn't understand. See,
I'm so sorry, ma'am.
nothing very much big I told, okay? Just adding of two integers. Okay. First case is when both
Okay,
the
ma'am.
number, this is the main thing that you have to remember in addition. You can write it at the back side. So like sign, add. Like sign means I told same sign. When it is same sign, you will add. Okay, now see here. Here
Okay.
both are positive sign. So that means you will add the absolute values. 2 plus 3 you will
Yes,
add.
ma'am.
So that is 5. And what about the sign? It will be positive
Plus
sign.
sign.
And
Yes,
this
ma'am.
is 2 are negative numbers. Same sign. They are like sign
Yes,
numbers.
ma'am.
So since what is our rule? Like sign, addition. So I will add it. But what sign? It will be minus. If you're adding two positive numbers,
Minus
the sign will
sign.
be positive. If you're
Yeah.
adding two negative numbers,
We have
the answer will
same.
be in negative.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
now coming to the scenario when one is positive and the other is negative. So when like sign is addition, what do you think about unlike? Unlike sign means what I should
Subtraction.
do? Yes.
Subtraction.
Unlike sign means I have to do subtraction. Subtraction of the absolute
Okay, ma'am.
values. Subtraction of the absolute values. So
Okay,
now
ma'am.
what is the absolute value of this?
Value.
2. Now forget about the sign. What numbers we have now? Varnika Shri, are you listening to the class?
2.
2 and 3. 2 and 3.
3.
Forget. So just what is the difference between 2 and 3?
One is in negative and one is in positive.
I just forget about all the signs. I'm just
One.
speaking about the absolute
Ma'am,
values. Here they are
Difference,
Ma'am,
unlike
3
sign.
different.
They
2
are, listen,
Hello,
everyone
ma'am.
mute. Everyone mute. They are unlike sign. So I have a rule, when it is unlike sign, I have to subtract. Why? For addition, I gave you the reason. Because in number line, we move on the same direction. So we are adding it. When you take these two numbers in the number line, you will move in the opposite direction. See, I will tell you that. See, minus 2. First, I will go to minus 2. And it is plus 3. Plus 3. That means I have to move towards my
Right side.
right side. So 1, 2, 3. See, we are moving in opposite directions. For that purpose only, if it is unlike sign, we have to subtract. Okay, so just subtract the absolute values. The absolute values are 2 and 3. What is the difference between 2 and 3? 1. Now let's come to our story. Okay, I'm having two bad qualities. I'm having 2 bad qualities, but I learned 3 good qualities. This is what I'm having. 3 good qualities I'm learning. Now, which will be more? Which is more in me?
Qualities, ma'am.
Negative quality or positive quality?
The positive quality, ma'am.
So, to say in mathematical way, which is a bigger number? That sign you will put here. Which is a bigger number? That sign you will put here. I will give you one more example. So, this is minus 7 plus 5. Now tell me, one is negative and the other one is positive.
Ma'am,
So
it
what
is
should I
minus
do?
2.
What should I do?
Ma'am,
Minus
They are like or unlike? They are like or unlike?
They are unlike, ma'am.
They are unlike. So what is the rule? Unlike sign should be
subtraction.
subtract. You have to subtract the absolute values. See here 7 and 5. So what is the difference between, forget the sign. You're going to think only about the numbers. What is the difference between 7 and 5?
2, ma'am.
2.
2, ma'am.
So I have 7 bad qualities.
is bigger, ma'am.
I have 7 bad qualities. I'm learning 5 good qualities, but still, am I good or bad?
Bad, ma'am. The negative
Yeah.
quality is more, ma'am. So it will
Yes.
become minus 2, ma'am.
Yes, I'm having more negative quality, so it becomes minus. That's all. See, and this scenario, you know, 9 minus 2. This we know. This also, you see, actually we have done this earlier. This is positive and this is negative. Unlike sign. So if we get a problem like this, we will do subtraction. Yes or no? This we have done it.
Ma'am.
And see, we have, because here positive is more. 9 is the bigger number. And the sign of the bigger number is positive. And that's why it is plus 7. See, without learning integers, without knowing the concept, we are doing this. But we were doing it correctly. Can you relate it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes?
Ma'am.
Yes. Good. Very good. So, now,
Ma'am, I have doubt.
yeah, 1 minute. 2 main things that you have to remember is, if it is like sign, it is addition. If it is unlike sign, it is subtraction. And another thing you have to remember is, if it is both positive and negative, which number is bigger, that sign will come. And that concept also you can apply here. See here, which is bigger number? 3 is bigger number. What is the sign of the bigger number? Minus. So it is minus 5. Whichever is more, that sign is going to come. Either it is same sign, either it is like sign or unlike sign. Is this concept is clear? Is this concept is clear?
Clear, ma'am.
Okay. We will do some problems. At that time, you will understand more clearly. Now, exercise 5.2. Okay. First problem, minus 410. Add. You're going to add. This is, everything is add. Okay. Minus 410 and 172. The same thing what we did for the number line. They have not given the mathematical expression. They have just given the statement. Add minus 410 and 172. Shall we write it mathematical way? How we will write? First, write the first number as it is. Minus 410. You're going to add. So, plus 172. Is it right? First, listen for the first problem. Don't simultaneously work it out. First, listen. From the next problem, if you understood, you can do it by yourself. So, this is clear? This framing of statement is very important. Is it clear? I'm not getting any response. Am I audible?
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
clear, ma'am.
This step is clear. No one should tell me that you didn't understand. I'm just going step by step. Whatever is given, I'm writing in the mathematical way. Now I'm going to see. I have two. How many integers are here?
2, ma'am.
2. Are they like integers or unlike integers?
Unlike integers, ma'am. Unlike integers, ma'am.
Yes, they are having unlike signs. They are having unlike
If they
signs.
are unlike,
So
we
what
have to
should I do?
subtract, ma'am.
Ma'am, if
What
it
should
is
I do?
Subtract, ma'am.
subtraction.
Unlike sign means I have to subtract. So
Subtract, ma'am.
just take the absolute value. This is 410. Please mute everyone. Someone is echoing. So find the difference. What is the difference? This becomes 0. This becomes 10, 8. And this is 3 and 10. 10 minus 7 is 3. 238. So this is the answer for the numerical part. Now I have to decide upon the sign. So
We
here,
should check which one is bigger, ma'am.
yeah,
The negative
I was
or
having
positive? And the negative is
410
bigger.
negative qualities and I added 172 positive. But still, am I positive or negative?
Negative, ma'am, because it is
Negative.
more.
Because the bigger number is 410. So always I will put
Not
this.
understand. Become negative sign, ma'am, in our answer.
Everyone mute. Who told that you don't understand?
Ma'am Dikshita.
What you didn't understand?
Ma'am, now what you're just teaching, because in a little bit your voice was not audible, ma'am. So
Is
I
it so,
just-
children? My voice is not audible?
No, it was audible.
Your voice
No,
is
ma'am,
clear,
it's
ma'am.
clear.
Yeah, please, others all mute. Others all mute.
It's clear, ma'am. It's clear.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am. So now, Dikshita, tell me what you didn't understand.
Ma'am, this
I
sign,
didn't
ma'am.
do anything much bigger. I just, whatever given in the question, I just wrote in the, by using the operators. Here, they didn't give me directly. They just told me add minus 410 and 172. So I'm just writing it using the operator. Minus 410, I'm using the plus operator and I'm writing the next number 172. So now I know that if it is unlike sign, I should subtract. Here is it like sign or unlike sign, the both integers. There are two integers. They are like sign or unlike sign. I told like sign means same sign. Unlike means different. Is it same sign or different sign?
Different, ma'am. Unlike sign.
Then I should subtract their absolute values. Forget about all the signs. The signs are different, so I must subtract the numbers. 410 minus 172, I get 238. Now, don't simply write 238 as you will do earlier, because earlier you were not dealing with negative integers. Now we have negative integers. Now you have to deal with the sign. First you dealt with the numbers. Now you're going to deal with the sign. So first see which number is bigger.
I'm 173.
Yes, the sign of that number I will put in my answer. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Yes, ma'am, it's clear.
Yes. Now try the next problem. Add 120 and minus 10. Write in the mathematical way first. How will I write?
A doubt, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, you have written minus 410 and we have to subtract minus 410 and 172 because it is unlike signs. But after doing, how to decide whether to put subtract positive or negative sign?
Who is this asking?
Swastika.
Dikshita. Dikshita, can you please answer her question? Dikshita. Dikshita, are you there? Who will answer her question?
Ma'am, Tanushree.
Ma'am, can I answer Vikasini?
Ma'am, Tanushree.
Tanushree, yes. She is asking how I decided that here minus sign should come. Explain her, Tanushree.
Ma'am, we should check which is bigger in this.
You should check which number is bigger. There are two numbers here. You have to check which number is bigger. Which is bigger here?
minus 410 is bigger.
Number, leave about the sign. Which number is bigger?
410.
410. Very good. 410 is bigger. The sign of 410 is minus. So I put the same sign here. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
You have to listen to the class. Okay. Now this is 120 and minus 10. I'm writing in the mathematical way. Dikshita, I'm audible to everyone. Please leave the meeting and rejoin. 110. See, I have told you whenever you see a negative number, you will write in the bracket. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now comes our multiplication. Till now we didn't use. Once the bracket comes, our multiplication of sign also comes. Now the first step is I have to remove my bracket. To remove my bracket, I have to multiply this. So what is plus into minus? Go to the multiplication and check what is plus into minus.
Minus.
Minus. If it is different sign, you will get negative. Same sign positive, difference. Don't confuse here. Ma'am, if it is you're adding same, if you're doing like this, same sign. So should I put plus? No. Addition concept, you just think of our story. Okay, addition and subtraction, we give preference who is bigger. In addition and subtraction, we give preference who is bigger. Okay, multiplication, we just give preference same or different. Okay, so now plus into minuses, that's what I told. Have that in your notebook at the back side. Always refer that. So plus into minus is minus. So minus, and I will write the number as it is. Now see, now how many integers are here?
2 integers.
2 integers. Now what is the sign of 120?
Plus.
They are like
Plus,
sign or
ma'am.
they are like sign or unlike sign?
Unlike sign.
Unlike sign,
So
ma'am.
what should I do?
Sign, ma'am. You
What
subtract, ma'am.
Subtract their absolute values.
Subtract, ma'am.
Subtract their absolute values. The difference of
110,
120,
ma'am.
it is 110. So now I have,
And now we have to check which one is bigger, ma'am.
yeah.
Ma'am,
So
there's
now,
which one is
please
bigger?
mute, please mute. So now I have solved my numbers. Now I have to check for my sign. So which is bigger, 120 is bigger or 10 is bigger?
20, ma'am.
So the sign of 120 is positive. So here it is positive sign. In this case, you can put positive or you no need to put. Actually, you no need to put sign. It is all understood. For the first few days alone, you practice this. Later on, you no need to put because it is understood that it is positive. Yeah. Is it clear?
Ma'am, can you explain that first one again?
Who is this?
Dikshanand, ma'am.
Why? Why you don't understand? What you didn't understand? You must tell me what you didn't understand. Diksha Anand.
Ma'am, I could not understand the whole sum, ma'am.
What? So nothing you understood. For the past 35 minutes, you didn't understand anything?
I understood, ma'am, that addition one.
You're taking for granted, children. How many of you didn't understand? Give a thumbs up if you have understood. If you have understood the problem, these two problems, give thumbs up. Yes, thank you, children. See now, they have asked you to add two integers. No one can teach you more slower than this. There are two integers, minus 410 and 172. You're going to add it. So I have put plus symbol between these two integers. So if it is unlike sign, I have to subtract. If it is unlike sign, I have to subtract. This is like or unlike sign. Diksha Anand.
Unlike, ma'am.
So unlike, so I have to subtract. I have to forget about the sign. I have to subtract only the absolute values. 410 and 172. If I subtract, I get 238. And now, depending on which is bigger number, I will put my sign. So 410 is bigger number. So the sign of that is minus. So I will put minus 238. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
See, even if you don't listen to the class for 5 to 10 minutes, definitely you will be lagging behind. Can I rub the board? Children, can I rub the board?
Yes, ma'am.
The other two problems you're going to try by yourself.
Okay, ma'am.
See, C problem, I will just give you a hint. You will do it. Minus 88 and minus 43. Minus 88 and minus 43. Now tell me, how will I write this? They have given in statement. I have to write in mathematical way. How will I write it? Minus 88 and minus 43.
Minus 88 plus minus 43.
Others?
Minus 88 and
Minus
88
minus 88 plus bracket minus 40.
Sorry for the disturbance. So, minus 88 plus minus 43. Now what I should do? I have a number in my bracket. So what is my next step?
Remove the brackets, ma'am.
Ma'am,
What
remove
I have
the
to
bracket and
what I
multiply
have-
it.
Multiplying the signs.
To remove the bracket, I'm multiplying the signs. What is plus into minus?
Minus, ma'am. Minus 43.
Yes. See, plus, if the sign are different and if you multiply them, you will get minus. So plus into minus is minus, minus 43. See, now I have two integers. Minus 88 and minus 43. What I should do now?
Ma'am, since
They are like sign.
integers, ma'am,
Very
have
good.
to do
They
the
have,
addition, ma'am.
Have to do addition.
they are like sign. So I have to add. Add the absolute values 88 and 43. One hundred and 131.
ma'am.
Now you can take that story also. You have 88 negative and you're adding negative. Negative plus negative. It is going to be more negative. Or otherwise, check which is bigger number.
Ma'am, you have to put the minus sign, ma'am, because here both are minus signs.
Yes.
The bigger number is also minus and the both
we
numbers
have
are
to
minus.
minus sign,
Yes.
ma'am.
So 88 is bigger number and the sign of it is minus. So minus. Understood?
Yes, ma'am. Understood, ma'am. Clear, ma'am.
Tanashri, please mute yourself. Harita, please mute yourself. Now let's go to the second problem. The D problem, you will do it as homework. Okay? Now let me go on to subtraction. Subtraction is also same thing, but they have given, see the first problem. Subtract the following integers. Plus 11 from plus 5. Plus 11, subtract plus 11 from plus 5. So you have to write it in the mathematical way. So how will I write? In subtraction, always the from number will come first. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Let me write the from number, that is plus 5 minus, this is subtraction. So I am putting minus between the two numbers. So plus 5 minus plus 11. Is it clear? When two signs are there, you should always put it in a bracket. Now, what is my next step?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, remove the brackets and multiply the
Very
signs,
good.
ma'am.
Very good. Remove the brackets. So plus 5 I can write, plus 5 I can write it as 5 and minus into plus. So multiplication of different sign. Multiplication of different sign is going to be
ma'am, it is minus.
Minus,
minus
ma'am.
11. Here
Minus
now I
11,
have
ma'am.
two integers, plus 5 and minus 11. Are they like signed or unlike signed?
Ma'am, they are
Unlike sign, ma'am, sir, we
So
have
what
to
should
do
I do?
subtraction, ma'am.
So I'm going to subtract the absolute
Subtract
values.
the
11
absolute
minus 5 is
6, ma'am.
6.
ma'am. And now we have to check which one is
Which
bigger,
number is
ma'am.
bigger?
Now we have to check which one is bigger, ma'am. The 11 is bigger, even sign is minus, ma'am, so we have to put minus 1. Minus 6, ma'am.
Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
ma'am,
Hmm.
ma'am, of 11 is the larger number, ma'am, but in the question you have put plus positive, positive,
Yes.
ma'am.
See, forget all these things. Finally, you are in this. Finally, you have arrived here. Consider only the place. You're considering these two numbers and then only you're deciding whether you want to add or subtract, right? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So, in that case, you have to proceed.